15 years ago, when I put the handrail in, I decided there was no reason to put it on both sides. Now, there is reason to put it in there, so I'm trying to install it on the other side. It started a couple of months ago, but I had to take a break. So now I'm trying to finish it up. I just need to put the top on it, so I need to cut that joint. I already have the return on it, and biscuited and glued together. I already cut some test pieces to get the angles, so those will line up. And set the chop saw with that angle. And the railing came in 16-foot pieces. Of course, I needed like 17.5, so I had to put a splice here. I haven't sanded or cleaned it up, or biscuits inside to make a nice biscuit joint and glued. And I already have the return done, and again biscuited inside, then rounded, smoothed off so that it'll match the other side. The color's gonna be a little bit different because the one's had 15 years to age and the other one is a little newer. Okay, to help preventing the chip out, I'm going to put a layer of tape on it real tight around the end. Pull it real tight. Okay. Yeah, because I need to cut it at a slight angle like this, and hopefully that'll prevent any of the tear out on this back side. But it is the bottom, it's the least important part. I can sand it out if it causes too much of a problem. Rotate the base so I can get that angle. It should be about there. Then check it with the blade. Yeah, it looks like that's it. Okay, it's all down solid. Alright. And we'll cut it slow and careful. Let's check that out. Alright, looks like I got a really nice clean cut. Doesn't look like I got any bad tear out. Maybe a little bit right. No, that looks good. Okay. Oh, that looks good and clean. Yay. Okay, and again, I'll tape this as tight as I can around the end of it and then pull it snug. Okay. There. Got it. Yep, that looks good. But then I'll check it, make sure it's tight against there. Okay, try it out. Oh, that's better. I can tell it's sharp now.
Okay.
Okay, so now we'll go test fit it. And if that works, then we'll be ready for biscuits. All the stair railing brackets are up except the very top one. That one's not screwed in all the way because it may have to move down a 1/4 inch or so. Won't know for sure until I get the railing in place. I think that looks good. Got the biscuits glued in. I should have taken a picture of those because I had to make custom made biscuits to fit in that space. But I epoxied them in. Just waiting for that to harden, and then can clean it up and start putting it into place. And then of course finish it.